Today is the day that Daniel and Jade's feature curved wall gets sheeted. Daniel's wall has also caught the eye of fellow curve lover Luke.
They've taken up another 600 with the curved wall and then encroached with their bench as well. So, yeah, I think once whatever goes on it, it's going to look a bit smaller in there.
But your plumber's actually pulled all the stormwater system apart under the house.
And then tomorrow
What?
morning we'll see you.
Marty's going to repair it himself. You're not going to trust your plumber. You are going to get a bill of at least $2,000.
Okay, well, it's got to be done. We called
our plumber to check, because we don't know.
Yeah, I spoke to Marty about that.
When was that?
Oh, you did?
When was that?
A while ago when we done the ensuite.
Yeah, Keith, it's Harry.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, I spoke to my plumber. He said he spoke to Marty. So I don't want to get charged anything if my plumber did the right thing and contacted Marty.
I don't believe that, Harry, at all.
Well, I trust my plumber.
It was basically just your plumber's lying. There's no need for a discussion.
How about I come on site and I have that conversation on site rather than on the phone?
It is now time to put on the presentation of a lifetime, one to remember. And you could be taking home $5,000 cash, thanks to Domain.
So here we are in our beautiful master suite. We've got soaring high ceilings, lots of skylights to bring in natural light. I'm Tash from White Fox. Thank you so much for coming on this room-by-room tour with us. And we cannot wait to show you how the rest of the house comes together.
So House 2 is a seamless combination between 1940s charm and contemporary living.
Welcome to Brighton, home to the lifestyles of the rich and famous. When it comes to real estate, size does matter.
We are possibly one of the only houses on the block who will have a 5-bedroom home. So we would like to show you our movie and hopefully you enjoy it.
Welcome to our house. We're Daniel and Jade. Let us take you on a journey and show you the house that we've created for you.
We want our home to become your home too.
Luke and Jasmine, up you come.
We've transformed House 4 from its Federation origins into a luxury family entertainer.
So thanks for looking through House 4. We hope you love it as much as we do.
Here's our video.
After a hard day at the office, what a treat to come home to a delicious pie. Treat your wife to a tub after her hard day. This pure stone bath with brass fixtures really is the living end.
Your judges will be scoring you out of 10 for your photography, your video, and the copy that you have written about your homes.
I gave you a 9.
Thank you. 8.5.
Thank you.
It's an 8 from me.
Thank you.
Sarah and George, I gave you a 7.
Giving you an 8. 8.5 from me.
No worries, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, up next, Daniel and Jade.
7.5. Thank you.
Thank you.
9.5.
Thank you. Wow.
It's 9 from me.
Wow. Okay, Luke and Jasmine.
Thank you.
9 from me.
It was an 8.5 from me.
26 to beat. Jimmy and Tam.
Really well done. I loved it. 9.5.
You need a 10 to win.
You guys have taken a kind of big risk with your listing video, but I really think that risk paid off and it's a 10. Well done by half a point, House 5. Jimmy and Tam, congratulations.